What's up, vlog?
But it's sure no fit, it ain't safe round here, but she's still gonna hold on.
My hair looks a mess. Well, it's in a bonnet. I'm trying to sound really excited even though I'm dead tired. Today is my traveling vlog. My flights and everything already got messed up because of the hurricane that's coming or that's here. It is currently 6:07. I need to get dressed because
Can we just talk? Can we just talk about where we're going before we get lost? Maybe our thoughts can't get what we want without knowing. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want more. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it, and it's you I'm on. So stop thinking.
hey y'all, I am at the airport. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's 3:19. My flight landed at 1:40. I have a one-way, a hurricane or something going on right now, and like the flights got rearranged, and my parents both have round trip.
Juan, did you send Sharice back to the gate?
Their flights got changed because we have to go around like the hurricane or whatever. So I went from St. Louis to Nashville and then to New York, and they went from St. Louis to Chicago into New York. So originally of course we're going to be on the same flight. We're going to get here by like 12 or something, and then we're going to go to all the stores and stuff to shop for me for my move-in tomorrow. But that's not going to happen because they don't get back until 5:50. Their plane doesn't land until 5:50. Yeah, I'm just editing right now, so I'm not like terribly miserable. It's just kind of uncomfortable. I was sitting over there in chairs, but they didn't have a plug next to me, so I just came over in this little area. I'll show you. I'm really like secluded, so that's how I get to like talk to you guys.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going.
I'm still at the airport. Let me see what time it is. 4:50, so it's almost 5 o'clock. Update: my mom's plane, it got delayed. My mom and dad's plane got delayed
To prevent the spread of COVID-19.
so now they're probably going to come around 7:30ish. My butt hurts from sitting on the ground, and you know, it is what it is though. I use the bathroom. I'm in the family bathroom, so that's how I'm like recording and stuff. Here are like my bags. Those are my 2 bags because you can't leave your stuff unattended, and how would I fit those 2 big bags in that small restroom? So I was just like, I have to come in here. But yeah, my hair looks a mess. Oh, here's the fit check. I never showed you guys what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this 2-piece set. I think I got this from a Lovely Wholesale. Pretty sure I did, but yeah, it's just really basic. Really basic and plain. I'm not gonna get a picture in it. My mom is not here to take my picture, so. And it's gonna be really late, and we're just gonna be tired. We're ready to go to the hotel. I'm just ready to relax, even though I really do need to get these pictures in. So I've been relaxing basically this whole time, so I'm gonna get those pictures in for my promo. So.
Before we get lost, maybe our thoughts can't get what we want without. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk?
Well, if you don't want to walk 5 guys.
It's now 9:17.
Oh.
I've literally been at the airport from 7-something. We didn't leave
You can bring me some french fries.
till like
Don't get some
7-something. This hotel is so nice. Oh, we took the shuttle to get a rental. Took the rental. My dad, he got us a hotel in New Jersey this time. I think he thought it was just a little bit farther than what it was, and it was. So it was like almost an hour drive here from the rental place to here. And then we just looked it up. Girl, I'm trying to do something. And then we just looked up how long it's gonna take to get from this hotel to Columbia, and it's like a good 40 minutes now. So imagine early in the morning. And then y'all knew I was supposed to take my promotional pictures because it's like cute and everything here, and it's easy, and I could just get them out the way.
What's up, family? I missed y'all.
I'm literally, you're talking so loud. Like you could have literally just stepped over there if you saw me recording.
Girl, they could turn the camera towards me. It's been a long
okay,
long
anyways
day.
Yeah, so I'm probably gonna get in the shower and go to sleep because I'm so tired.
Oh, she tired.
But yeah.
Girl, we all are.
What's up, vlog? It is now Monday, August 30th. Move-in day. So
moving day.
but it's 8 o'clock. We're supposed to be there by 10. Probably not gonna be there by 10, are we?
I think we will.
Because it's like an hour or something away.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's about 45 minutes away.
But yeah, so I have to move in, get a COVID test, get my keys and a new ID and all that stuff. But right now we're about to just go get some coffee.
And we got to unload all these bags.
Okay, here's
All
so
these
extra.
bags.
See, this picture would have been cute, but Heidi doesn't know how to take pictures.
I don't know what's wrong with me. I think part of it was the space was so cramped and the
yeah, it's fine, Mom. It's fine.
I really want to do a good job.
I know it's
really disappointed.
it's okay.
I'm happy with my product.
It's okay. I have a week before classes to try to find somewhere to take them.
You take picture with you with this outfit on there. You ain't got
I don't even right. But that's the point. I needed to get the things that I have to post out the way.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Sorry. You know, usually I'm a pretty good picture taker.
I know. I said it's okay. Oh gosh. Oh, what's up, vlog? Today has been so hectic. I have finally moved into my dorm. My parents could not come up here with me, so that really sucks. Here goes a room tour. Okay, what I'm about to show you is don't freak out. I'm not messy. I just have to do what I have to do. Oh, and my room is really small. This is my door. Yes, my door. When I come in, this is what you see. You see my shoes, you see 2 trash cans. Then here's my desk. Here's like some cabinet space. I'm still literally standing right here. I'm not moving. Here is where I can like hang stuff up at. They gave me like some coat hangers. They gave me some coat hangers on here as well, which is really nice. And then I turn to the right, and this is like, I bought this mirror. And then I have some drawer space, some more like space up there, some space down there. I got a water from Target. Let's move this back. Oh shoot, I'm about to fall. And then here's my like little closet area. Make sure it's nothing weird in here. Open her up. This is what we're working with, right? And then we're gonna turn around. It's getting blurry again, I know, but here's my bed, and this is me still standing by the mirror, very small. This is my bed, and the reason why I have all these clothes on my bed is because, let me speak to you guys. The reason why I have all these clothes on my bed is because I brought 4 suitcases. You see how like small my room is? I could not store 4 suitcases in my room, so I had to send 2 suitcases back with my parents when they go back tomorrow. So I just had to dump all my stuff on my bed so I can send them back, because that would take a lot of time for me to unpack and organize and stuff, and then they would just be sitting in the car because of course they can't come in. But if they could come in, I'm sure it would look a lot better, but unfortunately they could not. But it's okay. So that's why I look so messy on my bed, is because I had to dump 2 whole suitcases. Here's the other part of my room. It's like you see the table and the desk. It has drawer space over here, and here's another suitcase. Here is my air conditioner. This is my view. It does not compare at all to the view that I had last year, but it's okay. And then here are all my Amazon boxes that I had to get from the mailing room. And yeah, that's basically my whole room. It's very small, but you know, I do have a single. That was basically the end of this moving video. If you want to see how my room looks after I do it all up, definitely come back for that video, because I will have that video out very soon. But yeah, I'm so tired. I've just been ripping and running all day and all yesterday, so you guys know how hectic it's been. But I finally made it to New York, and I'm so happy. Yay! So yeah, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in. Please get ready for all of the New York content, the college content, the D1 athlete content, all that content, and of course the fashion content, hair content. All the content is coming very soon. So yeah, y'all, I'll see you lovelies in the next video. Bye.